Today I'm going to share with you a trend for 2020 called Promenade. It's an American floral trends forecast trend, and it really kind of showcases the alternative and romantic side of Valentine's Day that's not red. I started by taking 3 large-headed white hydrangeas and clustered them together in my hand. Next, I began feeding through the hydrangeas the beautiful Juliet Roses. I then added some of the Burgundy Hypericum into the bouquet, topped it off with these spectacular Miyabi Roses. This beautiful arrangement incorporates Design Master's rose gold and the blush color tool, as well as these spectacular roses from Alexandra Farms, the Miyabi Roses and these beautiful Juliet Roses. In addition to that, I've used some of the preserved Italian Ruscus that's been bleached. I tinted it with the blush color tool by Design Master. I also tinted some of the fresh Italian Ruscus and some dried grasses using the rose gold paint by Design Master, and then added those around the collar of the bouquet, just simply whipping the Ruscus around the edge and tucking it back upon itself to stay. Then I added a little bit of this beautiful Australian fern called Sea Star to the outside, and I bound the entire bouquet using the Smithers-Oasis aluminum wire. And you'll notice my vase has been color enhanced as well. I took painter's tape around the top part of the vase and sealed it down really well, making sure to press it down really thoroughly with my finger, then flipped the vase over and sprayed it with the rose gold paint. And it just adds this extra level of sophistication to the overall presentation. So thanks to all of our sponsors, and I hope to see you guys again. Hope this inspires you, and we'll see you soon. Take care.